Okay, everyone, I just come back from my toilet. I washed away all the inks in this barrel. I think I did it perfectly, so it is perfect clean and clear here. And now I'm going to reassemble this piston part back into the barrel according to what I also clean all the waters out. Because I don't want to see my piston mechanism with some drops of things or water. Uh, so so clear. And now I'm going to reassemble this piston. And according to the website I just saw, you just stick in and push, so it will go to its place. Uh, you can see here you got two rings here. Actually, maybe I shouldn't call it ring. Two uh, carved in rings, and here are two stand out in rings. These two standing out rings will fit these two rings inside the barrel. So according to the website I saw, you just push it back to the barrel and it will work well. So I push it in. Voila, finished. It is so easy to reassemble it, but so difficult to disassemble. Oh, I am very relieved to see uh, to see this piston just work as fine as um, I before I did this. So it is difficult to disassemble, and I don't recommend you to do this at home. But if you really want to try it so badly, maybe you can try. But hey, you are on your own. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.